This is 16016. As you come in, you put your card in the slot there, but make sure it's your cruise card. Then you have a do not disturb or make up room that you can push one of those buttons and you do not disturb or make up room. Then as you come on in, you'll come to the left, and I don't have a card in there, but this is the bathroom. Let's see if I can find my card. I guess I didn't take, yes I did. Find my card here and put it in the slot. And then we have the rest of the bathroom here, where you have basically what you would expect. The shower is huge, has a rain shower above, and of course a handheld one there as well. You've got soap, body wash or soap and shampoo there. Big shower. As you come out of the room, of course, there's the bed. Also, as you enter the room, there is plenty of closet space, hanging clothes, plenty of space for that, above and below for shoes and other items. There's your hot water or coffee with a little cute, they give you water every day as you need that. Huge mirror. Blow dryer is here in the drawer. Just a blow dryer, nothing else. Here. Huge TV. Also have a mini bar that is included underneath. As you can see. Another closet. You can hang clothes. This side has a safe and more drawers. And of course, outside is the balcony. You also have a couch area. This is where we keep our Jackie. And a place in between there, a little area there for in between the bed and the couch where they keep their Jackies, and some shelving there. And of course, here you have your temperature for your where you can go up and down. It has stayed very cool in here, so no problem there. This is room 16016 on MSC Seashore.